These software tools are very important if you want to become a robotics engineer, or else even if you are pursuing robotics engineering. Make sure that you watch the video till the very end so that you are not missing on it. First one is about framework and the middleware. So we all know what it is. It is about ROS2. It is a middleware or else framework that we popularly call it. ROS2 is very important because it is open source. It makes the robotics integration very easy. It is beginner friendly, and at the same time it is used by many companies as well. That's why many people are using ROS2, from the college students to the industry experts as well. Even company use in their products. And why I have mentioned in the frameworks part, because if you are a student, then in the beginning you don't have any money to buy a paid software, so ROS2 might help you a lot for that. And it is one of the popular framework used in robotics. Most of the masters universities also use ROS2 in their curriculum to teach students about robotics. So I think it will help you a lot, but also it depends, like if you want to proceed with ROS2 further or not, it is completely up to you, but still it is one of the important software tools. The next one is about simulation tools. We have the very first one, Gazebo, which has ROS2 support. ROS2 and Gazebo are well maintained, and it supports a lot. So the integration becomes seamless, and you don't have to worry about the resources part, and it is time efficient, and the hardware required for that doesn't need much cost, so it is cost effective as well. So you can try for Gazebo simulator. One of the reason is, before trying to the real hardware, simulation can save a lot of cost and time as well, so you should go for Gazebo simulator. Another option for the simulation is also VBots. I personally found out VBots as a good simulator because it has ROS2 support as well, and it has good physics as well. Means the rendering engine for the VBots is also good. Again, it is open source, so it is free to use. The third one is about designing software. The very first one that I will recommend is Fusion 360, because Autodesk offers you the student discount, and even if you are not a student, then the basic plan is enough. It offers much more things than you think. So you can start designing on Fusion by the basic things, and also you can build your projects around it. That might be the complicated projects or else the basic projects, that doesn't matter. It also supports ROS2. It has the URDF plugin which can be integrated with ROS2, so that is also one of the best point. The next design software is SolidWorks, but it depends. If the design is very complicated, then you can go for SolidWorks, but it depends again on your use case. The last one is about programming thing. So specifically talking about programming, there are no such tools, but VS Code is one of those because it has ROS2 plugins as well, and also it makes the programming thing easy. And the languages, I will recommend to start with Python or else C++. C++ is highly recommended because when you go to the robotics hardware part, you have to use C++, but you can also use Python at the same time. These were some of the software tools that I found very informative, so I just thought to list them for you guys. Make sure to subscribe to this particular channel and comment below if you have any doubt or else anything to discuss. So we will meet in the next video. Till then, grow, learn and explore together. Bye.